Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're going to do a quick review of these fingerless cat paw gloves. These are super cute, perfect for, I guess, women who want to look really, really cute. I got these as gifts for my friends, so I got a few of them so I could just basically do an unboxing as well. It comes with a long string, color-coded to the different types of fur, which is nice, so you can actually hang this somewhere for storage. And these are pretty warm. I'm putting this on my hand right now. My hand's larger than typical, women's hands, but it is super warm. And of course, for me, the hand doesn't fit as much well as it for women, but at the same time, I kind of can't type very well with this because I think it's a little slightly small for me. But overall, the quality is pretty awesome and it keeps your palm really warm. And of course, you can totally use your cell phone because it's fingerless. The quality level in here is pretty neat. It's pretty average. There is a little loop for that string, as well as there's like a velvety insides of it. And the overall furriness of it is actually not that, it's kind of medium in terms of thickness. So it's not really that thick, but it keeps your hands really warm. It keeps your palms really warm, and then but your fingers are still able to use like a cell phone or anything else. Anyways, guys, that's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.